Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to align objects perfectly in Adobe Illustrator so your designs look clean, balanced, and professional. First, select the objects you want to align. Use the Selection tool, then click and drag to select multiple objects. Now look at the top menu. Click Window, then click Align. This opens the Align panel. In the Align panel, choose how you want to align. Click Align Left to line objects up on the left. Click Align Center to center them horizontally. Click Align Right to line them up on the right. For vertical alignment, use Align Top, Align Vertical Center, or Align Bottom. Important step. At the bottom of the Align panel, choose Align To. Select Align to Selection to align objects to each other. Or choose Align to Artboard to center everything on the canvas. Click the alignment button you need. Objects snap perfectly into place. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.